Hi guys,
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
the M Square. So finally we are back together and revealing a new property for you in Pushkar. So tell them about the property.
ये प्रॉपर्टी बहुत ही आइसोलेटेड है, बहुत ही सुकून भरी प्लेस के अंदर है, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं। और अभी हम आपको पूरे टूर के अंदर दिखाएंगे कि ये प्लेस कैसी है।
बहुत सुंदर है और मेरा बर्थडे आज यहाँ ही बन रहा है. So this is my birthday vlog also. So let's get in the video.
Come on.
See. So this is the reception area where you come and you check in. So this is the place you all got. I'm not going there because we already have checked in. So these are the cottages.
So guys and girls, this is the dining area. Come, let me show you guys.
And the vibe of this place is so amazing. I can't tell you. I can't tell in words. Just look around, guys. See,
How
you will get all the vibes of village. You don't have to go anywhere when you can find a proper place in Pushkar. Am I right?
Yeah, baby. And this place is discovered on your birthday for
Yes.
us. And for all
I
our
found
viewers.
it. I found it.
All the credit goes to you. Yes.
They have kept it so minimal and so rustic, so vintagey. So this is the lawn area. This property is so huge.
तो ये यहाँ का सिटिंग एरिया है जहाँ पर होटल के बाकी सारे गेस्ट आते हैं और यहाँ पर गेट टुगेदर होती है। हमारे जस्ट पास में आपको अभी हम दिखाने वाले हैं यहाँ का पूल एरिया।
बहुत अमेजिंग है.
आउटर पूल है और यहाँ पर बिल्कुल आउटर शावर है, हम आपको वो भी दिखाएंगे।
So let's see the pool side. I am so excited to dive into the pool. Ah, I can't wait to jump into it. Pool side is so amazing with a great view. Look at the view, guys. What else you can imagine? Like I can live here forever. Yes? Thank you.
कम बेबी, इनको यहाँ का देसी किचन तो दिखा दो।
Desi kitchen, yes. So this is the sitting area also. हट टाइप का है कुछ. लगेज आपके रूम में इसके थ्रू पहुंचाया जाता है. अब इसको क्या बोलते हैं मुझे नहीं पता. ठेला.
ठेला ठेला ठेला.
So now we are going into our cottage. These are the cottages. So let's go and check our cottage. They have amazing cottage and they have 12 cottages. So on my birthday's occasion they have given us a beautiful one. So let's check in. It is, trust me, बहुत सुंदर है. Ta-da! Our home for one day. Just look at everything, guys. It is so peaceful, so calm, and just look at the view. मतलब हमारा विंडो के सामने we have all green, all plants. Isn't it amazing? And he got me this bouquet. Thank you, baby.
Welcome, my love.
And see what we are having today. Red wine. So let's go and check the bathroom. So this is a beautiful decoration here of campus. Come in and see.
I have seen a wash basin like this in first time in my
Even
life.
I am seeing this first time. And this is our shower area where we gonna have shower. Isn't it amazing, guys?
So we are ready. Let's go for the dinner.
Yes, baby. I'm so hungry.
Me too. Come.
Thank you so much for this gesture.
Not at all. Not at all. That's the least we could do.
So beautiful.
And I think that's where you need to
I'm
stand.
stunned.
I think that's where you need to stand, Mahima, so that he can get a picture of
Yeah.
you with the pool in the background and the cake in the foreground.
I'm stunned. I'm cutting my cake for the first time with this.
That's why we want this to be special, right?
So you'll have to blow the candles and then you can cut the cake.
He's
There you go.
Raghu, by the way, in case you haven't met.
No,
Yeah,
no, we
I
met.
met.
We met.
And we were in.
All right.
जैसे nice करते हैं.
Happy blow. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so
birthday
much.
to you.
Cutting this for the first time like this.
Happy
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much, all of you.
Pleasure, pleasure.
This was really nice of you. And I don't know how to use this.
अरे वो
तलवार।
वो तो normal life के साथ करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ नहीं वो इतना नहीं.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Now,
Please come here. Please come here.
Thank you. Happy birthday once again.
Thank you. Just look at the sunrise. We are late, little bit late, but we didn't miss the view.
yeah.
Are you listening the sounds of birds chirping?
यही तो मॉर्निंग की खूबसूरती है. Always busy on phone, clicking pictures.
So this is our breakfast scene right now. We are having so much fun and can't wait to have all the delicious food they have prepared. So yeah. Breakfast, chai, macaronis, bread roll, sandwich and him.
Am I your breakfast?
You are my dinner and breakfast both.
And what about lunch?
I can have you anytime.
And what about brunch?
I can have you anytime. So he is the property owner और ये भी हैं Raghu, right?
Sameer Dada.
Okay, he is Raghu, Yogendra and Sameer Dada. We loved your property, Raghu. We loved it so much that we'll definitely come again. So thank you for all the services and hospitality. We loved it.
Thank you so much.
Guys, do check their place. It's amazing.